Again to the Gerald Moses channel. Today we have another video. We have a new project. There's a token I'm going to show you how to buy. It's called the Aircoin token. And by the way, they're also having an airdrop. So I'll leave you a link, a Telegram link in the comments, whereby you can join the Telegram group and receive the airdrop. But I'm going to show you how to buy it. So it's already listed on CoinGecko. As you can see, it's called Aircoin. That's the price. The market cap is 910,000 and the 24-hour volume is only 10k. The supply is there. It's really insane. You can click on show more. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. The website is called aircoin.co. So this is the website, aircoin.co. It's really a brief website. I can't breathe, I need air. So, and what is exactly air? Air was issued to mock the badness of the cryptocurrency market. Air is everywhere. After buying Aircoin, you get nothing but air. And that's the contact address. So these are links. This is the link to Twitter. The link to Twitter is up here. The link to Telegram, to Reddit. Let's check the link to BSC scan. So this is it. It has 51,000 holders and it has so far 154,000 transfers. We can check on the latest transfers here. There have been swaps 3 minutes ago. There was a swap for a few tokens, 3 million tokens. So this is the Telegram channel. Maybe let's go to the Telegram channel. Here we are. Just once we are going to the Telegram. We want to see how many. Telegram, it has 20k members. As you can see, this is the Telegram channel. It has 20k members and 1k members are online right now. So we go back. So I want to show you how to buy it on. We also have a few. We have the use cases. I have it on my Google Doc, AI use cases. There are projects started from a meme coin. Currently there are very many meme coins. So this also started as a meme coin, but it's now developing more other use cases. The first product is called Airpool system for DeFi mining. The second product is called Airswap, a decentralized exchange system. And then the third product is called Aircash, a cash system for air. So these are the use cases so far. So we go back. I showed you this already. We go to Trust Wallet. Here we are. It's loading. I don't need the password. So I already have $10 worth of Aircoin already. So I'm just going to show you how you can also buy maybe $1 or $2. In this video, I'm going to show you maybe how to buy $1 or $2. Just something slight. So you go to the dApps. You click on down here, you click on Pancakeswap. If it's your first time to use the Trust Wallet, it will ask you to connect your wallet, but I'm already connected, so that is okay. So I'm going to buy. So it's still loading my BNB. I have 0.02 BNB, so I select the currency. I already have it added here already. That's why you see it here. It's here, Aircoin, but you could copy the contract address from the website or from CoinGecko and you post it and you paste it here. But I already have it here. Okay, let me show you how to copy that. You go to CoinGecko. This is CoinGecko. You copy this, and then we go back to Trust Wallet. You paste it here. This is for the new people, and then yes, here I've already added it. So and then it will add itself. So I'm going to buy something 0.001. This is roughly $1. Okay, let me say 2. Let me say 2. That's how I'm going to buy 6 million air. So I continue swap, confirm swap, confirming. So I've bought roughly $1.24. So the total cost is 1.74, and then it's confirming swap. Here we are. Transaction submitted. You can close this, and then you go back to your wallet. There's already a notification here. Yes, there's a notification here. A smart contract call executed. So So we go back. So I just have to refresh this. Yes. So Aircoin, remember I had $10 point something, now it's $11.86. So this is how you buy Aircoin. It's really as simple as that. And always remember, always before you buy any token, do your own research and always invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So I made this video for my friends to help them out who are new to the DeFi space, the Binance Smart Chain things, to show them how they can buy this token. So if you like the video, share to your friends also. But remember, always do your own research. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.